Welcome to Business Desk. You can start a car rental business by following these 10 steps. So, step 1, plan your business. A clear plan is essential for success as an entrepreneur. It will help you map out the specifics of your business and discover some unknowns. What are the costs involved in opening a car rental business? The business will require a fleet of vehicles, an office, computers, printers, high-speed internet, the payment of incorporation fees, insurance for the business and automobiles, vehicle maintenance tools, a closed-circuit camera system, employee wages or salaries, and marketing efforts. What are the ongoing expenses for a car rental business? Ongoing expenses include employee wages/salaries, utilities, insurance, the addition of new vehicles to the fleet, servicing the fleet, office/parking lot rent, high-speed internet, marketing, and website maintenance. The lowest level employees will make between $8 and $12 per hour. An on-site mechanic will command a salary between $35,000 and $70,000. Bring a marketing professional on board and he will require an annual salary in the range of $30,000 to $65,000. The same salary rate applies to an accountant and web designer. Insurance is necessary to protect your business as well as the automobiles. Budget at least $500 to $1,000 per month for this expense. Utilities including high-speed internet will run several $100s per month. You can purchase or lease vehicles that will be added to the fleet. Anticipate adding a new vehicle every couple of months, so always have at least $20,000 to $30,000 on hand for such a purchase. Extrapolate this cost across the entire year and new additions to the fleet will likely cost $100,000 per year if purchased outright. Servicing your fleet of vehicles will likely cost between $500 and $1,000 or more per month, depending on how many customers you have. The cost of your office/lot rent will likely be between $700 per month and several thousands of dollars per month. Allocate at least $500 to $1,000 per year for website improvements. Budget around $500 per month for marketing. This estimation is for USA, maybe it will be different in your country. Who is the target market? The ideal customer is a business that requires numerous car rentals for employees. Another coveted customer persona is a group of business travelers who are willing to spend a considerable amount of money on car rentals while away from home. How does a car rental business make money? A car rental business makes money by renting automobiles to those who need a means of transportation while away from home, to embark on a trip or as a substitute for a vehicle that is being repaired. How much can you charge customers? Rates for car rentals differ by the quality of vehicle and the location. In general, the low end of car rentals, such as a Nissan Versa, cost around $35 to $50 per day. Upscale car rentals like a Mercedes-Benz or Lexus will run upwards of $100 to $200 or more per day. How much profit can a car rental business make? Your car rental business can rake in the cash if you have an optimal location, a diverse fleet of vehicles, and competitive rates. It is possible to make $50,000 to $100,000 in the first couple of years. Continue to grow your business and you'll eventually reach the mid-six-figure mark. Expand across the region and nation, and your car rental business can make millions of dollars per year. How can you make your business more profitable? Consider selling the old automobiles in your fleet. If certain vehicles are no longer in vogue from a style perspective, sell them or trade them in. You can charge extra for various levels of auto insurance. It is prudent to establish relationships with local car dealerships so they can steer customers your way when vehicles are being serviced or repaired. What will you name your business? Choosing the right name is important and challenging. If you operate a sole proprietorship, you might want to operate under a business name other than your own name. When registering a business name, we recommend researching your business name by checking: number 1, your state's business records; number 2, federal and state trademark records; number 3, social media platforms; number 4, web domain availability. It's very important to secure your domain name before someone else does. Step 2, form a legal entity. The most common business structure types are the sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, and corporation. Establishing a legal business entity, such as an LLC or corporation, protects you from being held personally liable if your car rental business is sued. Step 3, register for taxes. You will need to register for a variety of state and federal taxes before you can open for business. In order to register for taxes, you will need to apply for an EIN, and it's really easy and free. Small business taxes. Depending on which business structure you choose, you might have different options for how your business will be taxed. For example, some LLCs could benefit from being taxed as an S corporation, S corp. Step 4, open a business bank account and credit card. Using dedicated business banking and credit accounts is essential for personal asset protection. When your personal and business accounts are mixed, your personal assets, your home, car, and other valuables, are at risk in the event your business is sued. In business law, this is referred to as piercing your corporate veil. Additionally, learning how to build business credit can help you get credit cards and other financing in your business's name, instead of yours, better interest rates, higher lines of credit, and more. Get a business credit card. This helps you separate personal and business expenses by putting your business expenses all in one place. It also builds your company's credit history, which can be useful to raise money and investment later on. Step 5. Set up business accounting. Recording your various expenses and sources of income is critical to understanding the financial performance of your business. Keeping accurate and detailed accounts also greatly simplifies your annual tax filing. Step 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Failure to acquire necessary permits and licenses could result in hefty fines, or even cause your business to be shut down. State and local business licensing requirements. Certain state permits and licenses may be needed to operate a car rental business. Learn more about licensing requirements in your state by visiting SBA's reference to state licenses and permits. Certificate of occupancy. A car rental business is generally run out of a lot. Businesses operating out of physical location typically require a certificate of occupancy, CO. A CO confirms that all building codes, zoning laws, and government regulations have been met. If you plan to lease a location, it is generally the landlord's responsibility to obtain a company. Before leasing, confirm that your landlord has or can obtain a valid CO that is applicable to a car rental business. After a major renovation, a new CO often needs to be issued. If your place of business will be renovated before opening, it is recommended to include language in your lease agreement stating that lease payments will not commence until a valid CO is issued. If you plan to purchase or build a location, you will be responsible for obtaining a valid CO from a local government authority. Review all building codes and zoning requirements for your business location to ensure your car rental business will be in compliance and able to obtain a company. Services contract. Car rental businesses should require clients to sign a services agreement before starting a rental. This agreement should clarify client expectations and minimize risk of legal disputes by setting out payment terms and conditions, service level expectations, and intellectual property ownership. Step 7. Get business insurance. Just as with licenses and permits, your business needs insurance in order to operate safely and lawfully. Business insurance protects your company's financial well-being in the event of a covered loss. There are several types of insurance policies created for different types of businesses with different risks. If you're unsure of the types of risks that your business may face, begin with general liability insurance. This is the most common coverage that small businesses need, so it's a great place to start for your business. Step 8. Define your brand. Your brand is what your company stands for, as well as how your business is perceived by the public. A strong brand will help your business stand out from competitors. If you already have a logo, you can also add it. Choose from 13 QR code types to create a code for your business cards and publications, or to help spread awareness for your new website. How to promote and market a car rental business. Advertise across a number of different mediums. Make use of brochures, flyers, introductory letters, magazine ads, newspaper ads, search engine optimization pushes, local directory listings, and online directory listings. It is prudent to establish relationships with decision makers at local businesses. Bid for contracts from the airline sector, government agencies, and corporations. How to keep customers coming back. The quality of your website and mobile app matter a great deal. Make sure the car reservation process is as easy as possible, and you will attract and retain customers. Research local competitors' rates and match or beat those rates. Offer a wide array of vehicles that appeal to drivers with varying tastes. Your fleet should consist of luxury automobiles, economy vehicles, sport utility vehicles, sports cars, compact cars, intermediate cars, and so on. Make sure your vehicles are clean and in tip-top shape at all times. Step 9. Create your business website. After defining your brand and creating your logo, the next step is to create a website for your business. While creating a website is an essential step, some may fear that it's out of their reach because they don't have any website building experience. While this may have been a reasonable fear back in 2015, web technology has seen huge advancements in the past few years that makes the lives of small business owners much simpler. Here are the main reasons why you shouldn't delay building your website. All legitimate businesses have websites, full stop. The size or industry of your business does not matter when it comes to getting your business online. Social media accounts like Facebook pages or LinkedIn business profiles are not a replacement for a business website that you own. Website builder tools like the GoDaddy Website Builder have made creating a basic website extremely simple. You don't need to hire a web developer or designer to create a website that you can be proud of. Step 10. Set up your business phone system. Getting a phone set up for your business is one of the best ways to help keep your personal life and business life separate and private. That's not the only benefit. It also helps you make your business more automated, gives your business legitimacy, and makes it easier for potential customers to find and contact you. There are many services available to entrepreneurs who want to set up a business phone system. We've reviewed the top companies and rated them based on price, features, and ease of use. What are some skills and experiences that will help you build a successful car rental business? It is important to understand the needs and desires of your target customers. Gain an in-depth understanding of automobiles, automobile trends, travelers, business professionals, and marketing. It will also help to have superior people skills to generate inroads with decision makers at businesses that require car rentals. What is the growth potential for a car rental business? The growth potential of your car rental business depends on the location, the quality of your fleet, and your marketing savvy. Location is the most important factor. Establish your car rental business in an area with plenty of business travelers and others who are likely to need a temporary means of transportation, and your business might grow quite quickly. It is possible to grow to the point that you expand the business across the region, the state, and even throughout the nation. Thank you for watching. For more business videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel.